Hello world, in this video we are going to go through Chrome Devtools Elements Panel. With Elements Panel, you can view and change the DOM and CSS. For this video I'm going to use this page, and it is extracted from one of my Bootstrap videos. If you need to learn more about Bootstrap, you can watch the series and find the link in the description below. To open Elements Panel, click on this More Actions button, More Tools, DevTools, and the hotkey is Ctrl-Shift-I. This is the DOM tree of the Elements panel, and here you do all DOM related activities. The fastest way to open this Elements panel is, let me close it first, just right click on any of the elements of this page and click Inspect. To navigate the DOM tree with the keyboard, use up or down arrow key, or left arrow key to collapse any element, or right arrow key to expand an element. If you want to see this footer element in this viewport, just right click on it and click on Scroll into View, and it will highlight in viewport. You can also search the DOM tree by string CSS selector or XPath. Let's say I want to find this element here in this DOM tree. So focus on Elements panel and press Ctrl or Command F and type in here archives, and here it is. You can also edit the DOM on the fly and see how those changes affect the page. To edit node's content, simply double click in the DOM tree. Let's say I'm gonna change the text of this element. First inspect it and double click on the text, and I'm gonna type here, let's say, modified text. Hit enter and it is changed for you. You can also add attributes by right click, and here we have various options. I'll go through all of them one by one. Let's say I'm gonna add an attribute here, style equals double colon background dash color colon blue. And the color of this text is changed to blue. You can also edit this attribute and let's say I'm gonna change the color to burly wood. Then we can also duplicate an element. Let me delete it. Let's go to this title of the post and duplicate it, and you can drag it wherever you want. I'm gonna delete it now. We can also copy, hide element, and this text is hidden for now, and this little gray circle suggests that this element is hidden right now. And you can also unhide it by uncheck this hide element. Let's back again. And then we have a couple more options: expand, collapse, capture, and so on. You can also change the type of the node. Let's say if I want to make this heading to button, just double click on H2 and type in here button. It's no more text, it's converted to button. In this sidebar, we have various tabs. First one is the styles. Here you can inspect the styling of any of the element as well as modify it if you wanted to. Let's say I'm gonna style the title of this post. Just click here and type in here. By the way, if you need to learn more about styling or CSS, you can watch my HTML based videos and find the link in the description below. I'm gonna give it a background color as blue, and I also want to give it a rounded corner, and I can do it by border radius, let's say 10 pixels. You can see the borders now, and the border style would be dashed. I'm gonna make it a bit thicker. Border width thick, and I also want to give it a little bit margin to its left, margin to the left, let's say 20 pixels, and some padding 5 pixels. Now if you go all the way down, you see this visual representation, and this rectangle suggests the width and the height of this element, and this is for padding. It's 5 pixels, and then we have this border and margin. The color is also reflected here in this area or in this area. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.